friends at home. In this video, we will be doing today's math lesson. Your friends here in the classroom have opened up their math books to page 219, and it is lesson 6-5. So you'll see 6-5 at the top. This is going to be a quick math lesson today because I feel like you guys are doing a really good job with tens and ones. And the chapters this week, like yesterday, we did 20 to 39. Now we're doing 40 to 59. Then we'll do 60 to 79. So even though the numbers are getting bigger, it's the same pattern, tens, ones, tens, ones. So I feel like you've got a really good handle on how to do this. So it says at the top here, Lauren counts some flowers in a field. How many flowers does Lauren count? Well, one of the reasons why it's helpful to group in tens is because the bigger the numbers get, the more there are, the longer it will take us to count if we're counting by one. So when we group in tens, much more quickly we can count them up. So what I'm going to do here is group these flowers into groups of 10, and then we will count up how many groups of 10 we have, and then from there, we'll be able to quickly count how many flowers there are all together. So if I count the flowers here, we'll go down the side and see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle. It's going to kind of make a little, almost like an L shape to get 10. See that? Kind of like a golf club maybe. Can we do it? Yeah, you can do it too. And then here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, or let's go down this. No, that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll circle this group. That's two groups of 10. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's another group. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll circle this group. So how many groups did I circle all together? I've got 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. So I have 4 tens. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. And then Emma, how many do I have left over all by their lonesome? 1. So I have 1. So 4 tens and 1 1 make 41. And there we have it. You guys are rock stars at this. So let's go down now to the practice area. It says, look at each model, write how many, use 10 rods and ones to help you. So this one they've done for us. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 rods. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So 5 and 4. And that makes 54. How many tens are there for number 2, Sage? 4 tens. And how many ones are there, Noah? 6. So Lily, 4 tens and 6 ones. What number is it? 46. 46. Good job. Go ahead and turn the page now, the top of page 220. It says make a model, use 10 rods and ones, then write the number and the number word. So they said here 4 tens and 7 ones was 47. They wrote the word 47. And then to model that using 10 rods, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. All right, 53. I'm sorry, I just gave that answer away. 5 tens and 3 ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 1, 2, 3 ones makes the number what, Mateo? What does it make the number what? 53. So on the line we'll write 3. And what was your question, Mateo? I don't have the same thing. I think you do. You're probably just on the wrong page. So 220. Yes. All right. It says write tens and ones. Draw lines for the tens and dots for the ones. So this one they wrote 5 tens and 1 1. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 1 1. Emma, for 43, how many tens, how many ones? Emma, plug in the number. How many tens? How many ones? Look at the number. 3. Now we draw 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 1, 2, 3 ones. Come and show me if you think it's different. Sometimes your books are different than mine for some reason. Just Mateo. Just Mateo. Oh, I skipped a page. No, I didn't. Yours is different than mine, though, but you skipped a page. I didn't. What? Your page is torn out of your book. Why? That's why. You have a page torn out of your book. You're missing this page, so just follow along on the board. All right, 44, Austin. How many tens? How many ones?
4.
What?
4.
4 what?
4 tens and 4 ones.
Thank you. 4 tens and 4 ones. So to draw that, we'd go 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. That stands for 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Stands for 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at the problem solving. It says, Max sees some ants. How many? What? Oh my goodness. Boys and girls at home, hold on 1 minute. I got to quiet down the friends in the room, so give me 1 second. All right. Max sees some ants. How many ants does Max see? So let's group them into tens. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there's 10 in a row. So there's 10. Here's 10. Here's 10. And here's 10. So I have 10 in each row. How many groups of 10 do I have? How many groups of 10? Noah? 4 groups of 10. Do I see any ones left over? No, so I put a 0 there. So Isaac, how many ants does he see?
40.
40. 4 tens and 0 ones. How are 35, 45, and 55 the same? They all have the same number of what, Beckett?
5.
They all have the same number of ones, right? They all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. How are they different, Mateo? Sage, how are they different? They have different groups of tens, right? We have 30, which is 3 tens, 40, which is 4 tens, and 50, which is 5 tens. Good job. Let's go to the more practice on page 221. The top part is just a kind of a review of what we're already doing. So let's just go right to the more practice. They did this one for us. They said 4 tens and 2 ones makes 42. Emma, look at number 2. How many tens are there? 5. So put 5 tens. And then how many ones are there, Emma? 5. So how many do we have all together, Emma? 55. Good job. Lillian, 4 tens and 6 ones. What number? 46. Good job. They wrote 40, so we'll write 6. Landon, 5 tens and 1 1. What number? 5 tens and 1 1, Landon. 51. Good job. They wrote 50, so we'll write 1. All right, Mateo, you do have this page. So go to page 222 now, which is the one you were looking at. They told us 4 tens and 5 ones is 45, so that one we can just trace. They gave us that answer. And I want Mateo to do number 2, 5 tens and 2 ones. 52. Good job. They wrote 50, so I'll write 2. Connor, do number 3, 4 tens and 8 ones.
4 tens and 8 ones are 48.
48. Excellent. And they wrote 40, so we'll write 8. Jacob, do number 5, 5 tens and 9 ones. 59. Excellent. They wrote 50, so we'll write 9. Well, it's up there, so. All right. The problem solving on this side says Amy plants 45 beans. Show how many tens and ones this is. Draw lines for tens and dots for ones. So, Connor, how many lines should I draw for 45 tens? 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. That's 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many ones should I draw, Drew? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she plants 4 tens and 5 ones. And we're going to stop there today because I think that you guys have a good handle on tens and ones and how they work. Okay? Have fun with this, friends, and we will see you later.